I've got a wild claim for you. There was a secret food that made ninjas invisible. Sounds epic, but is any of it true? Let's separate myth from reality. Invisibility wasn't magic. It was method. Ninjas trained to vanish by exploiting darkness angles, attention matte fabrics that kill reflections, charcoal, color example, navy, color example, smooth, silent movement. That's psychology and physics, not sorcery. So where does food come in? Not to bend light. There's no snack that does that. Diet helped ninjas control the one thing you can't hide easily, your body. Historical manuals mention Hyarogan Kikatsugan small energy balls for travel, ground rice, millet flour, roasted soy, sesame miso, sugar ginseng, ginger, high-calorie rations stable on the road, quiet to eat. No crackling leaves, no clattering cookware, smell mattered. Dogs and people detect odor fast. Avoid garlic. Avoid leeks, green tea as deodorizer, charcoal powder as deodorizer, fragrant leaves as deodorizer. Not glamorous. Don't smell like dinner. What about night vision foods? Carrots help low light vision, half true. Vitamin A supports rhodopsin. Extra carrots won't give you cat eyes. Fish, liver, leafy greens. That's normal physiology, not a superpower. Rumor, black rice, sesame, soybeans. That's folklore. Eating pigment doesn't tint your skin like paint. Black sesame and soy, nutrient-dense, easy to store pack energy. Practical, not magical. What actually made ninjas invisible? Systems thinking. Food kept blood sugar steady, kept nerves calm, kept packs light. Clothing killed shine. Timing and route planning dodged attention. Mitsubishi pepper powder, ash powder blind others briefly. Buy seconds to escape. If you want a modern, ethical version of ninja invisibility, here's the science-backed checklist. Wear matte, dark neutral layers, navy charcoal, move slow, step on edges of your feet, sync movement with ambient noise, avoid strong-smelling foods before wildlife photography or field work, keep snacks soft, keep packaging silent for steady energy, oats, nuts, seeds, dried fruit. So the secret food that made ninjas invisible? There wasn't one. The secret was a quiet body, a quiet bag, and a brain that understood how attention works. That's not legend, that's logistics. If you enjoyed busting this myth, I've got more where that came from. Hit like, tell me which legend to unravel next.